Good morning, grade 4. Now I will solve some of applications on approximation nearest unit. Let's go. At first, we should remember with each other this units: kilometer, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Kilometer equal 1000 meter, and meter equal 10 decimeter, and decimeter equal 10 centimeter, and centimeter equal 10 millimeter. When I want to convert from kilometer to meter, I should multiply by 1000. From meter to decimeter, I should multiply by 10. When I want to convert from decimeter to centimeter, I should multiply by 10. When I want to convert from centimeter to millimeter, I should multiply by 10. But when I want to convert from millimeter to centimeter, I should divide it by 10. From centimeter to decimeter, I should divide it by 10. When decimeter to meter, I should divide it by 10. When meter to kilometer, I should divide by 1000. Now, when I want to convert from decimeter to kilometer, what I can do, I should divide it by all of these zeros. This 1.5 4 zeros, I will divide it by 10,000. Let's go. The first example: approximate each of the following nearest kilometer. Nearest kilometer, it means nearest unit if the unit of the number is kilometer. Okay? If the unit of the number is decimeter or centimeter or meter, as the first step, I should convert it to kilometer at first. After that, I should approximate nearest unit. Okay. The unit of this number is kilometer. Okay. So that I will approximate nearest unit. The unit here is 2. This unit, this tenth, this hundredth, this tenth, this hundredth. So that the previous digit of the unit is 10th. 10th here is weak, so that I will replacement this 2 digit by 0. It can't benefit me because 0 at the right of the decimal. It can't benefit me, so that I will write the unit, the 2, without any increasing because the previous digit is weak, and write the digit at the left of 2. So that when I approximate 532 and 41,000 hundredths kilometer become 532 kilometer only. Okay. The second example. The second example here is this decimeter. What I can do in decimeter, the first step we said we should convert it to kilometer. From decimeter to kilometer, I have how many zeros? 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0, mister. So that you should divide it by 10,000. Excellent. Mister, when I divide this number, divided 10,000, what I can do? Attention with me. Some of students say to me, Mister, I will do a long division. No, we have simple method, easy method. Attention with me. How many zero after divide? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. So that you will write decimal point after 4 numbers from the right. This is the first number, this is the second number, third number, fourth number here, this is the fourth number, so that I will write decimal point here. Okay, excellent. When I do division, divide by 10 or 1000 or 10,000 or 100, I should count the zeros and write the decimal point after the number of these zeros. Okay. Yeah, Mister, I can't understand. Okay, attention with me, you will understand. Write the number again as it without anything, without any changing. 3 5 2 8 1 5 4. How many zeros after divide? 4, mister. So that you should count from right, not from left. 4 numbers and write decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, excellent. This is the answer. When I convert, I don't forget to write the unit. This will be kilometer. Excellent. The same step now, the same step of the previous example. The unit digit here is 1, the previous digit is 8. 8 is strong, so that 1 will be increased by 1 will be 2, and write the digit at the left of 1, so that 451 and 8,253 10,000, that is kilometer. When I approximate it nearest kilometer, it means nearest unit, it will be 452. Don't forget to write the unit. Okay, next one. This is centimeter. I should convert it to kilometer. From centimeter to kilometer, mister, I have 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From centimeter to kilometer, mister, I will do divide. Excellent. Excellent. So that I will divide it by 100,000, mister. Excellent. You are so great today. Okay. Well, how can I do this division? Mister, I want to do by long division. No, I tell you we have simple method, easy method. You should count the 5 numbers and write the decimal point. Okay, mister, now I should write all of number 9, 7, 4, 5, 3, 1, 2. After that, mister, I have 5 zeros, so that I should write decimal point after 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, excellent. Mister, don't forget to write kilometer. Excellent. The centimeter become kilometer now. Okay, when I do approximation nearest kilometer, it means nearest unit. Unit here is 7 at the left of the decimal point. The previous digit 10th is weak, mister, so that the answer will be 97 kilometer. Excellent. The next example. This meter, mister, I want to convert to kilometer, mister, to do approximation nearest kilometer, mister. From kilometer to meter, I have 3 zeros, so that I will divide it by 1000, mister. When I'm divided by 1000, mister, I will write decimal point after any numbers. The decimal point will be between 3 and 6. Excellent. I write the number again from the right. 2, 2, 6, 3, 6. Some of students tell me, mister, I will write decimal point here. No, you are wrong. You should count from right. 1, 2, 3 and write decimal point. Okay, excellent. After that, our approximation nearest unit now. The unit digit here is 3. The previous digit is strong, so that 3 become 4. And write 6 again. Mister, you forget write unit here. Excellent. You are attention with me. And write the kilometer here. This is the first application. The second application, when I approximate nearest piaster or nearest pound, I should know 1 pound equal 100 piaster. Now he want to me approximation nearest pound. Nearest pound here, it means nearest unit either. Okay, unit here is 7 and the previous digit is 3. 3 is weak, so that I will write 7 again and write 5. Mister, you don't replacement 3 by 0. Attention with me. I had tell you, when you find when you approximate nearest unit, you should cancel decimal part after approximation. Okay, mister, I understand you. Thank you. Now you want to approximate nearest unit. Okay, unit digit here is 9, mister. But this fraction, you should know this fraction is weak or strong. Okay, mister, I will write the fraction in the draft. and do multiply 2 up and down. 3 multiply 2 equals 6, mister, and 5 multiply 2 equals 10, mister. 6 is greater than the half of 10. The half of 10 is 5. 6 is greater than 5. Mister, this fraction is strong, so that it will be increased 9 by 1. 9 plus 1 equals 10, mister. Can I write all of 10, mister? No, you can't write all of 10. You should write 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. And write 7 again. Excellent. The next example. The next example, 305 piastres. The first step, I should convert piastres to pound. When I convert from pound to piastres, I should multiply by 100. Now I want the converse. When I convert from piastres to pound, I should divide it by 100. Okay. Now I want to convert from piastres to pound, so that I should divide it by 100. Okay, Mr. When I divide by 100, what we can do? You should write decimal point after two numbers from right. Excellent. So that 305 pounds 12p. No, 305 piastres 12p. 3 and 500 pounds. Excellent. When I approximate nearest pound, mister, I should see at the unit digit. Unit digit here is 3 and the previous digit is 0. 0 is weak, so that it will be 3 pounds. Okay, I understand, mister. Thank you. Now I will explain some of examples in the hours and day and weeks. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Excellent. And 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Excellent. Okay. When I want to approximation of each of the following nearest hour. Nearest hour, it means nearest unit. If the unit of the number is hours. Now I have 5 hours and 15 minutes. What I can do? You can consider this number is mixed number. I can't understand, mister. How can I convert this to mixed number? Attention with me. You will benefit from me now and know how can you convert this to a mixed number. The 5 hours, I will write it in whole numbers. After that, I will write the line of fraction. 15 minutes, I will write in the numerator. Excellent. Mister, what's the denominator here? Attention with me. How many minutes in hour is 60, mister? The 60 I will write in the denominator. Okay, I understand, mister. You mean I write hours in whole number and write minutes in the numerator and write number of minutes in hour in the denominator? Excellent, you are right. Now I want to approximate this number nearest unit. The unit digit here is 5. I want to know this fraction is weak or strong. Mister, the half of 60 is 30 and 15 less than half of 60. So that, mister, this fraction is weak. So that 5 is still 5. And you should write, mister, you should write the unit hours. Excellent. Excellent, my student. The next example is 7 hours and 30 minutes. I will convert it to mixed number. 7 in whole and 30 in numerator and 60 in denominator. Mister, 30 is half 60. This fraction is strong. Excellent. So that 7 will be increased by 1, become 8. Excellent. So that 7 hour and 30 minutes equal 8 hours when I approximate it nearest hour. Nearest hour, it mean nearest unit if the unit of the number is hours. The next example, 1 day equal 24 hours and 1 week equal 7 days. Now approximate each of the following nearest week. Okay, mister, this number is days. What's the first step I can do? You should convert it to weeks. When I convert from days to weeks, what I can do? You should divide it by 7. Excellent. So that it will be 46 over 7. Okay, mister, this is improper. What I can do? You should convert it to max. 46, it can't divisible by 7. I will search about 45. 45, no, mister. It is not in table 7. 44, no, mister. 43, no, mister. 42, excellent. 42 in table 7. I will do divide. 42 divided by 7 equals 6. And write the minus of 36 and 42. 46 minus 42 is 4. After that, I write the denominator again. Okay, what's the first step? When I approximate nearest week, I should convert this number from 46 days to this week's that become now week. Okay, this is 6 week and 4/7 is. When I approximate nearest week, it means approximate nearest unit. Nearest unit here, I should know this fraction is strong or weak. Mister, 4 greater than the half of 7. Or mister, I don't know the half of 7. Now you can do 4 multiply to equal what? 4 multiply to equal 8. 8 greater than 7. Okay, this fraction, is strong, so that 6 will be increased by 1, becomes 7 week. Excellent. Again, when I approximate nearest week, I should convert the days to week. How can I do that? I will do approximation, divide 46 over 7 and convert the improper fraction to max. I search the number less than 46 and divisible by 7. 42, it is this number. 42 divided 7 equals 6. I write in whole number. And 46 minus 42 equal 4. I write in numerator and write 7 in denominator. When I approximate nearest week, it means approximation nearest unit. Nearest unit, this fraction is strong because I do multiply at the numerator. 4 multiplied 2 is 8. 8 greater than 7, so that this is strong, so that the 6 will be increased by 1, becomes 7. The next example, 39 over 7, mister, because the days, when I convert it to week, I should divide it by 7. Excellent. 39 over 7. This improper, mister, I want to convert it to max. 39, what's the number less than 39 and in table 7? 35, mister. Excellent. 35 divided 7 equal 5, mister. And 39 minus 35 equal 4, mister. And write 7 again. Okay, mister. This is, don't forget, write week, mister. Okay, when I approximate nearest week, it will be this fraction as the same fraction. 4 over 7 is strong, so that the 5 will be increased by 1, becomes 6 week. Thank you. I will send you a sheet. I hope to solve it, depend on yourself, and send me. Thank you, grateful.